What's up, everybody? A lot of people have seen how to fix your Xbox One's clicking sound. Basically, you turn it over and you pound it until it stops. But what some people haven't told you is that this can actually damage it more. It can actually, it might work for a little while and then it goes back to breaking. You're better off just sending it back to Microsoft. I know nobody wants to send their Xbox One back to Microsoft, but you think about long term. Do you want your Xbox to last for 6 months, a year and a half, or do you want it to last your full money's worth, which you paid probably over $500 for it? So just a heads up to anybody thinking about trying that. If you have money to buy a new one, or you really think they're going to take it back after you pound on it, because they may, but you might damage some other stuff in there. And personally, the reason I'm making this video is my buddy did it. He broke a couple things inside. I don't remember what he broke. Maybe he hit it too hard, I don't know. But when he sent it back to Microsoft, they sent it back and said, listen, you can't be pounding on it, because they could tell that he was pounding on it. So yeah. Well, I think he sent it back to Microsoft. Maybe took it back to the store. I don't know what he did, but either way, be careful. Make sure that you try not to hit your Xbox One. I mean, first of all, why would you want to hit it so much? I know the clicking sounds irritating and it's unbearable, but to hit it, it may fix it, but what are the real damages?